What is up, guys? Today I've got a couple things going on. One of these getting picked up, and I'm going to clear coat these other two in the background. Guys coming to drop off a fourth. This one's going to go. And then I've got this day sailor. Neutral Joko. So we spent the last couple of days washing up some acetone and sanding off 2 layers. So that's an 80 grip. Finishing that up. Probably smooth it out with some 120 spray primer. Sand that. It's a 220, and spray some all grip, which is all set. Other than there is a nice little hole right here that needs to be addressed, and some old elastic there. Possibly something really good. Toe area. Glass over the whole thing. For what we're doing this for, it's a little day sail, so we're trying to make it smooth, but I think we did should be good. So I suggested all grip, spraying the Joko. The issue with this was not dry or sticky. There's no wax in the clear, so it doesn't leave a sandable finish necessarily. So we're going to be spraying it with all grip instead of Joko, which requires it to be sanded out. It's just going to cost more time, more money, more materials. So, in any case, a quick update, Dave, on what's going on over here. And if you care to follow along, go ahead and subscribe for the notifications for this and for other videos.